friends, welcome back to my channel. And guess who's back in town? Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. And guess who's back in town?
I'm back after 3 long years, thanks to COVID.
So what are we doing today, Ryan?
Wait.
So what are we doing today, Ryan?
We're going to unbox the Rode Wireless Go 2. And by the way, I actually got this from Amazon UA because over there it's 6,000 rupees cheaper than what we find in Amazon India.
We will add a short review in this video as well.
So stay tuned till the end. So let's start the unboxing. So let's start the unboxing. So we have the pouch, then this, this. This.
So here we have a transmitter and a receiver mic.
And also you get a 2 mic pack if that's what you need.
We opted for the single channel pack as it suits our purpose.
Wow, I like that they have included 2 Type-C USB cables for charging and connecting.
So no waiting to charge them in turns. Then we have these 2 furry windshields, also called dead cats, commonly for the mic.
Dead cats? Leave it. At least have another one if I lose one.
It's very useful, you know. I'll show you the difference with and without a windshield in the mic later in the video.
What's this?
This is a SC5 cable.
What's it used for?
This cable is used to connect the go-to transmitter to your camera, but not your phone camera. For that you need to use the GS7 or GSC7. For that you need a SC7 cable.
But that's not included?
No, we had to buy that separately.
From Amazon?
No, it was out of stock on Amazon. So we purchased it from another website.
Check the link in the description box below.
And the last thing in the box is this awesome looking carry pouch.
So let's see if the transmitter and the receiver both fit inside this. Okay. Oh my god. It barely does. Let's fit this. So, stuff. It goes there.
And of course the instruction manual. So that's all for the unboxing part.
So whatever you hear from now is not actually from the iPhone's mic, but it's now from the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic. And I think you can definitely notice the difference.
Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video.
And like, share and subscribe. And definitely don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. That's it for VINEET, your travels with VINEET.
Peace.
Peace.
एक मिनट जस्ट एक मिनट
1, 2, 3, go!
ये कर रहे हैं